Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare GitHub versus VS Code. We'll start by clarifying their distinct roles in software development. Then, I'll guide you through setting up your environment to ensure smooth integration between these powerful tools. You'll discover essential configurations and learn how to optimize your workflow for maximum efficiency, making your coding journey much more productive from day one. GitHub serves as your central hub for version control and collaborative development. We'll delve into creating and managing repositories, mastering essential commands like committing, pushing, and pulling changes. You'll learn effective branching and merging strategies, crucial for team projects, and understand how to navigate pull requests and code reviews to maintain high-quality codebases with ease. Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, is your highly customizable and powerful code editor. We'll explore its intuitive interface, demonstrating how to leverage countless extensions for enhanced productivity and language support. You'll also learn effective debugging techniques to quickly identify and resolve issues, and discover how its integrated terminal and Git functionalities streamline your entire development process. Finally, we'll bring it all together, showing you how to seamlessly integrate your GitHub repositories directly within VS Code. We'll cover best practices for a highly efficient development workflow, ensuring you leverage both tools to their fullest potential. You'll also gain valuable tips for troubleshooting common integration challenges, making your coding experience smooth and productive every single day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.